Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to the Magnet Learning. So we are going to resume our course, and today we are going to solve the exercises of unit number 6 and resources and their types.
1. Prepare a list of different resources and write them in their respective columns.
A. Natural resources. Plants, animals, water, soil, forest. B. Human resources. Houses, hospital, schools, offices, factories, tools, machinery, buildings, vehicles, construction equipment.
A. What is meant by resources? Answer. The things that are used for meeting daily life needs are called resources. B. How many types of resources are there? Explain with examples. Answer. There are 3 types of resources. 1. Natural resources. Resources which are found naturally and useful for us. Example: plants, animals, forests, soil, water and the earth. 2. Human resources. Human resources include all the human who serve the people either by producing things or providing services using their skills. Examples: houses, hospitals, buildings, offices and factories. 3. Capital resources. The things which are used to make goods or give services for generating money. Examples: trucks, computers, machinery equipment. C. What is meant by scarcity? Answer. Scarcity means that the available resources are insufficient for everyone. Examples: 10 candies for 15 children. D. Why it is necessary to depend on others in daily life? Answer. It is because one person cannot perform all the jobs. We depend on each other for goods and services. E. Explain the difference between goods and services. Answer. Goods. The things which are either found naturally or are produced by using materials. Example: fruits and clothes. Services. Services is something that one person does for others in exchange of goods or money. Examples: builder who builds houses. Three. Match the persons related to different professions. In column A with the service they provide in column B.